Center. My name is Grant. I'm one of our avian education specialists here, so apparently that means I know a thing or two about birds. In particular, I do know about some birds, but I don't know a lot about bald eagles. And bald eagles, amazing creatures. And here at the National Eagle Center, we don't just have eagles to have eagles, they all have permanent injuries. They've gone through a rehabilitative cycle, but their injuries were deemed non-releasable. So they cannot provide themselves with their own quality of life in the wild. So think of us here at the National Eagle Center like a forever home for those that have permanent injuries. So to quote my avian care manager, Tiffany, none of our ambassadors ever asked to have a permanent injury, and especially none of them ever asked to have a grant be one of their caretakers. But being able to recognize their body language and behaviors is how I can try and provide them with that high quality of life and care. And because I said that all of you have those stickers on your shirts, you get to come and see us today, you also have some sort of care about our ambassadors because we're a small private little nonprofit. It takes all of our guests to come help us fund and support what we do. So the fact that you all are sitting out here in front of me today, I just really quick gotta say thanks for coming to see us. I really do appreciate it. So, bald eagles, amazing. But when we look at North America in general, we have two species. If you look right up here, you got your bald eagle top, and down below is our late great golden eagle ambassador Donald. He unfortunately left us in March of 2020. He had a stroke. And when you're a raptor, you can't have that nice straight up posture. You can't maintain that because he couldn't grip anymore with his right foot. He was humanely euthanized. But we estimate that we know he was at least 17 because he spent 12 years with us and had his adult plumage. So at least 17. But strokes happened later in life, and he was scavenging in California when he got hit by a car. Scavenging? That's a bald eagle trait. Golden eagles, rare. They only scavenge if food is scarce or they're showing some of that age in the wild. So we likely assume that he was more like 35 when he passed away. So those are our two native species. If you want gold or juvenile renderings, that's a juvenile bald eagle back there. And then on the opposite side is a juvenile golden eagle. The golden eagle I call the abroad eagle because if we're looking around the world and in the northern hemisphere, the golden eagle has the widest disbursement of any other eagle species, so it's all over the place. The bald eagle, though, is what I call the at-home eagle. We're only going to find it here in North America. One of the many reasons why it's chosen to be our national symbol outside of its strength, beauty, and the biggest one, the independence that they display. Because bald eagles, they actually split from their mates outside of breeding season and spend most of their time separated and apart. So having to stave off all of that brutal winter conditions and make your way back to your nest every year says a whole lot about their instincts and their means to survive in the wild. So they're true inspiration for all